Hello everyone, I'm YouTuber Barian. And I got my first fidget spinner. Wow. Let me have to do it. Yeah, fidget spinners very weird. I don't understand why they've got so popular. But yeah, apparently they're good for kids with autism and yeah, they can get a bit addictive. I was actually watching Loki games just now and he was playing with one too, so like, has the fad died down with these yet? I don't know. But the first I heard of these was actually in a corner shop. I was there buying something like that. There's some guy come in with his kids and he was looking for fidget spinners and he was saying they're popular with kids at the moment. I was like, I never heard of that. He said that Toys R Us sold out of them and that, so I thought they're popular. But then, like within a day, they were all over YouTube and everyone was playing with them and I still don't get it. They said they're fun to play with, but yeah, Loki Games said as well that they're basically like the yo-yo, but crapper, he said. He actually said a different word, but which I think he's right, because you can't do as much with them. It'd be cool if there was more stuff to do. But yeah, that's basically it. You try doing what Loki done and do it on your heart. I'm not going to try that again. Yeah. Weird little fad. That's literally all I know how to do with them. I think there's another one. Yeah, that's the fidget spinner. My first fidget spinner. Which I just seen out shopping, seen it there, I thought, why not buy it? But yeah, there are a lot of cooler ones out there, so this is just a good one. Yeah, still don't get the big hype of like I said, you can do more with yo-yo. Like, I don't understand. I want to try the hack thing again. Just because I was cool. Damn it. I don't even think you can see it on camera, but damn it. I don't think you can even see it because I gotta keep my head up. Really good. Yeah. Like I said, after I viewed the one in the shop and I was like, everyone's doing videos, PewDiePie to accept the guy. PewDiePie's one was kind of funny though when he's a human fidget spinner. But yeah. Cool little things. I have heard some people saying this a bit bit disappointing that they become a fad thing actually, because if they can help kids with autism and stuff like that, and they become a fad, they become popular, and then they get banned in schools and stuff. So kind of a shame really, but kind of interested to look to see what other sort of things to do, but I'll have a look on YouTube after. And if this video does well, I might get some more. I did kind of want to get a white one. I was in the shop and there's the black one and a white one, and I don't know, I just went to the black one after, but I kind of wish I got a white one as well now. But it's only a few pounds, it's pretty good. My nephew's always saying like, oh, they're good to fiddle with and keep you occupied and stuff, and I was like, I don't see the point of them, but yeah, I got one. Being kind of addictive, but I don't know, I'll probably play around with it a little while and then get bored of it. That's the point, I got other stuff to do. Videos to make. I'm actually meant to be trying to learn the guitar too, but haven't been going too well. All because of YouTube and videos. Because I like making videos. Yeah. So I guess that's all the fun we'll have with this fidget spinner. I'm surprised I've got more than 5 minutes to be honest. I think I am getting addicted. I gotta put it down. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like my first fidget spinner, hit the like button. And subscribe maybe if you want to, and check out my other videos. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye!